Imagine you burn tokens to reduce the market supply, and in return you get a real share of entire ecosystem's revenue. In 2026 on Injective, it's not just theory, it's a monthly reality. My name is Fax. Let's go talk about the Injective Community BuyBack program. Since late 2025, ING holders have become the heart of the network's tokenomics. It works like this. Once a month, participants commit their ING to a pool. These tokens are burned forever, creating scarcity, while you receive your share in ecosystem revenue in ING USDT and other ecosystem tokens. The numbers speak for themselves. Over the last 4 rounds, the average participated yield reached nearly 24%. Burn volume has surged by 49%, and a total of over 6 million ING has already been removed from circulation. And that's 7% of the total supply. A real supply squeeze in action. You of course will ask me, how do you participate in this? It's all on-chain, fair, and not too difficult. Be active in ecosystem. Use the apps, stake ING, vote in proposals, and get Ninja Pass. Check the whitelist on Injective Hub when new round start. Reserve your slot, they disappear in hours. Commit your ING and claim your reward after the burn. This is a new level of network governance, approved by the community almost anonymously. Want to share the Injective revenue? The next round is right around the corner. So get ready to burn, dear friends. Fax was with you.